All right, folks. So your job today is to select a site, and what you should do is navigate to the USGS National Water Dashboard, which you will see here. That link is on Moodle and is also in your assignment. What I just want to do, so you're seeing all these colors, and these colors are actually telling you about streamflow levels at all of these different sites. Each dot represents a place where the USGS is monitoring streamflow. Doesn't tell you how long it's monitoring for, which is why you want to sort of be careful. So let's go over here. Each of you is going to pick a different site, and I would encourage you to pick a site maybe near where you live if you're from the US, or in a place that you maybe want to go to. Go outside this area. I would say do something fun. So I'm going to zoom in here on Portland, which is an area that I know well. And I'm going to just sort of show you, if you hover over one of these dots, this is actually, no, it's not near where I'm from. My mom lives in Newburgh. So let's look at Newburgh. We have the Willamette River. And if you click on that, you will actually get a pop-up window. And then on that pop-up window, the thing I want you to do is in the upper right-hand corner, click Site Page. And that should pop up a new site. And a couple things I want to orient you to here. You're looking at something in feet. This is what is called gauge height. We will talk more about that later. We don't want gauge height, we actually want stream flow. So what I'm going to say is you're going to scroll down, select data to graph you want to see, and then you're going to click on discharge. And if you don't see discharge there, it is because they are not measuring it. And so you need to go pick a different site. Now all of a sudden this interface has changed and you have cubic feet per second, which is units of discharge. We want to make sure that your site has data. So we're going to click up here and say, look at the last year. And you want to make sure that you have a time series for the last year. And let's click on change time span, and we're going to change this for a water year. We're going to change this for the last water year. Water year starts October 1st. Let's go to 2022, and it goes to 09/30 of 2023, and we're going to say change time span. And all of a sudden you have a beautiful hydrograph. That is a graph of stream flow through time. So one of the things you're going to do with your assignment is you're just going to screenshot this. You're just going to take a screenshot of it, and things that you want to pay attention to as well and list on your assignment is the name of the site and where it's located, which will be at the top. And then this number, and it might have a 0 in front of it. If it does, keep that 0 there. This tells you the gauge number, essentially the site number, and there's information in this that we'll talk about later. Next, I want you to scroll down because this is going to be important. I want to show you how these cool new pages can be used. One of the useful things about this page is that it shows you the watershed. So you can use this legend over here. This gray area shows you the upstream watershed. The blue line shows you what is downstream. So where does that river go? Where is it draining from, and where does it go? And this is going to be important because you're actually going to eventually identify 2 sites. We're just starting with 1 site today. So you can see that watershed. Also important is the location metadata, which has some of the information that you're familiar with. So the site identification number. Each site USGS database has a unique identification number. And I want you to grab a couple pieces of information. I want you to grab the decimal latitude. I want you to grab the decimal longitude. And I want you to grab the drainage area. And this is usually given in square miles. It's annoying that they do not say that that is in square miles. That's unfortunate. But now you know it is. So you're going to grab all of that information, go ahead and take a screenshot of this watershed image as well. And you are going to put that all in your assignment for this week. Go ahead and watch the next video, which will take you through what to do next.